We got the creepy crawls going on. We got the creepy crawls going on. Cassie's learning how the doubler works. It's a good, resourceful tool. And then we got everyone up there just going ham, breaking trail. So I guess we can mess around for the time being. All right, guys, instead of walking, since I'm getting winded and I'm crazy out of shape, we're riding on the side of Mike's Jeep. Hi, Mike.
Hi.
Thanks for the ride. So, yeah, we don't have far to go, but I'm extremely lazy, so here we are in this situation. All right, so I'm hungry, and I got my leftover McDonald's, but it's cold, so we're gonna put it somewhere here in the engine bay to warm it up. Where's a good spot, Mike? Right, let the throttle stick?
No, that doesn't. It doesn't burn my hands, so it's probably not good enough.
Do you think it'll melt the deal?
No way, that's McDonald's. Those things are tough.
Can't even see anything. Ooh. Ooh. That'll be a prime spot. We'll let that sit there and cook for a little bit, and then here soon we'll have some fresh McDonald's. All right, people, let's see if the sandwich is done. It's been cooking in here for a little bit. Put the hood on here. Oh, she feels a little warm. I think we're gonna go ahead and eat it because I'm hungry. It's the creepy crawl game.
Just a creepy.
Hi, guys.
Hello. Hey, Cassie. Nice driving. Thanks.
Hey, slow down.
I don't have any control over this. This is on Cassie. The supercharger's not whining, so we're doing
See what
good.
happens when it does.
Hit it, Cassie. Ram Austin.
Yeah. Bumper cars.
Pat, we really need to do it. We need to commit. Dude, does that thing got 31s on it? Well, guys, it's turned into a creepy crawl race. Seems to be working fine. We're not going too fast, but we're creeping along in double low. Cassie's trying out the double low for the first time. You like it?
Yeah, it's different. I've never driven really a vehicle with one.
It's pretty slow. It is definitely a nice thing to have in the snow. Sometimes the snow is that way to where you need to do double low and just churn the tires a little bit slower. Doesn't like full throttle, so that is what we're doing now. Dude, check out that bed. Is that for sale?
Oh yeah.
Sweet, maybe one day I'll buy that. Hey. All right, guys, we are out front. Cassie's breaking trail. She's doing great.
For the first time.
She's doing great. We're making good progress. You got to keep in mind this is her first time, so she's learning a lot with what we're doing here. stress on the front when I caught the bank. So I broke it. It doesn't look like I broke a CV. I think I broke the intermediate shaft in the diff that goes from it's the long shaft inside of it. It has a little one in there, so I don't know which one broke, if it was the outer one or the little one. We've had the little ones break in the past in a couple of our friends' vehicles, so I'm guessing it's probably that one, but we'll wait until we get back to Lewiston to tear it apart. We're currently driving out on three-wheel drive, which is working fine. The road's pretty packed from everywhere we have gone, so that's working good. Pat had to tow me for a little bit back there. There was an uphill part that was just a little soft. It wasn't really liking it with the three-wheel drive, so it's not bad. We're gonna get up here a little bit further, and then we're gonna start airing up the Tacoma, and then we can head back to town. One good thing from the day is Cassie got a bunch of driving in, which was sweet. She got to learn. Did you like that?
Yeah, I got lots of firsts in. I got stuck. I broke trail for the first time, and what was the other one?
Tried out double O.
Oh yeah, did the double O.
It was pretty good. She got stuck nice and good at one spot, so that was pretty cool. But she got out, and then when we were breaking trail, she did awesome. I should have some footage of that, so I think she did great doing that. She didn't get stuck there. She was, you know, stopping before she sunk too much, so that was pretty good.
Unlike the time that we got stuck.
Now we just need to get her a vehicle to build up and she can take out all the time. Guys, we're mobbing through here with three-wheel drive. It's working. It's working a lot better, keeping our momentum up, but I'm afraid we're gonna blow a bead at one point because we are extremely low on air pressure because I let too much air pressure out. Back to the footage. There's a little bit of rubbish on the side there. We might have to trim a little bit more. It'll only be like the 10th time trimming. It's fine. All right, we made it. We are airing up now. Everyone else is airing up as well. Some of you guys haven't seen this, or one guy commented about this, not airing up all four, but it does indeed air up all four tires at the same time. It is a pretty awesome system. It works quick, does everything itself, and it has a window, so if it bleeds off pressure, it'll kick the pumps back on. But it's been working great. The drive out was pretty awesome. We were getting rowdy, probably more rowdy-er than we should have been with three-wheel drive, but it was fun. Had to get a little bit more fun in before we ended the day, so we're gonna wrap up airing up and then head back to town. So we'll probably see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a comment down below if you want to see more of this. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you later. Peace.